Legend 55.
It is TV powered by Was Betting. It is times.co.za. A story broken by Itiski Times. Our journalist Lawrence Kohler reporting that Kaizer Chiefs have parted ways mutually with coach Nasreddine Nabi. Now, there were radio shows, and you would have heard this, people reporting from the Kaizer Chiefs training ground in Naturena, and they are saying, number one, coach Nasreddine Nabi was not part of the coaching today. Number two, there is also a story of qualifications. It doesn't have African qualifications as Euro, UEFA Pros qualifications, so he won't be able to coach a CAF Confederations Cup. They are giving that as one of the reasons. But of course, we also do know that he lost to Isikukune yesterday. Now, there was a thought that when he wasn't there, they won 3 matches. Now that he's back, they've won 1, they've lost 1, they've won 1. Ubobo made that point very perfectly. Maybe those are the reasons, we don't know. But the story is that Coach Nasreddine Nabi has left Kaizer Chiefs or is about to leave Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs will release a statement to that effect. Junior Kanye, take it away, sir. What are your thoughts? Were you surprised or even shocked by the story?
Ngikuleyo mabrada kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Ngibulisa uJustice.
Yes,
Ngibulise nezami angeke ngiye 1-1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, ibafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. I mean, I'm not surprised.
Oh, the timing is surprising.
Yeah,
Because bamnikele pre-season, bamnika abadlali, so you give him all of that. Bamnika 6 games. The timing is very surprising.
Mina Gima is not surprising even the timing because one, if I can be honest to you, the guy left. It's a this season bekangekho. And then they won games. We had patient in the studio. Ngisho mina ngithi there's no smoke without fire. This guy is just left now. The team is winning. When he come back, if he lose the game, the guy is going to pendula my questions. So I think for me it's not surprising. Manga check the team how they play last season. The guy went a pre-season. Ngikhuluma ne-Kaizer Chiefs asikhulume nge-season last year mayicala uthatha team wayisentabeni ngibone if the picture is telling the truth.
He was in Turkey last season.
Roadwork Orin.
Yeah.
Also nangamabhayisikili. All I'm saying mhlawumbe abo-Ted spoon feed wrong. Angazi mina mhlawumbe eman's arrogant ngale philosophy. Whatever we learn from abo-Ted, Master Ted, the one who produce abo-Pizzo, the list goes on. Ma uyi-coach ufika umusha ufika eteamini kumele kube ne-combination play, a lot of small-sided, a lot of friendly games. Yes, their picture ngisho ukuthi yabona i-roadwork man, it's more from a team waselokishini. Yabona mina ngitshele enye into, especially uma ngimbona agijimisa ama-player. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but him as a new coach coming to Kaizer Chiefs, i-Chiefs siyayazi philosophy yakhe sonke, i-identity ngikhuluma njengami ngikhulele la. So last season i-team iphume ku-number 9 bengekho ku-top 8. I-coach ibe ne-pre-season. Okay, first 6 months the coach failed. The way team idlale ngakhona, I think he failed dismal. Number 1, gimme starting 11 sakhe sichange kaningi. Secondly, uhlula uready game umjita. He lost game bengamelanga walose. When I check his identity, the philosophy of the way Chiefs idlala ngakhona mina ngiyaziyo. I think the guy continue to mess. Like bekayenze be West, like the Chiefs there season before abo Atabada. I think it was better. Bengasifene abo At, but I think the Chiefs was going to it was going through to the train. It was very West scheme. Ngoba the philosophy the coach you could tell. He love ama diagonal, ufuna ama long ball, badlala nga second ball. I team idlala nge counter attack. A team like Kaizer Chiefs, I was surprised there's no star player team yakhe. Udlala ngama wing back. Okay, modern football, that's how you play. But Kaizer Chiefs, I was surprised. I think abo Breke bambamsayina but yes, the trophy, which is ukwenzile lokho ukuthi win trophy, but i-trophy the well winning ngakhona raise ama questions game because I think abo referee ngikhuluma ngama officials badlala indima enkulu against Stellenbosch, also the fight beating Sundowns. I believe this guy's strike
offside goal by
yes. So last season I think the coach inconsistent, team was not playing well. He keep on believing players that they were not giving him nothing. Yusuf Mart, Bonabo Mteto. He plays those players. Week in and week out, Bonabo Modi. So obviously Pek Fail. Also, we have a technical team Kaizer Chiefs.
The management.
Ngicela nabo bathathe ngicela nabo mfethu babe responsible ngicela responsibility for now babe bathathe accountability because one they are the one who appointed to Nabi while Rulani Mkwena was available and Pitso Msimane was available. They were available because of unfuna ukumcontrol. You don't want somebody that will be judged by his results, by results. Umuntu eniyomnika and say, okay, sharp, nice season. Who do you want? Sikulandele bona budget. Mina ngicela this and this and this, and then ngicela nibalethe, and then nimnike ukuthi okay, sharp. Kusizini yokuqala mhlambe sikunika this. Iya depend ukuthi ama protocols bathini kuye. Anifuni umuntu ozonitshela ukuthi this is what I want. Bangabe nibheka ukuthi kwenzeke 1 2 3 4. Kuzoba i-process. It's not ibhola kusi event. Farouk taught me that football is not the event. Anifuni lonto le. I think that's why ngithi mina mabathathe accountability. If football akusi event, it's a process.
It's not only about the game at 3 p.m.
I span kanjalo. Also mina nkululeka
I need to ask you more questions about where you're going. You've described his season, yeah, okay?
Yeah.
You're not lying about his season. He was number 9. You got a Nedbank Cup. In fact, on our videos during the Nedbank Cup, we said it's the right time to fire.
Number 9 2 consecutive season in a row.
He Chiefs but yeah, and go number 9 as a head coach. Now the question is, why do you give him the preseason and the players and the 6 matches of this season? So you're allowing him to mess up your whole season. Because whoever is going to come in now, we'll get to that point who must come in. Already being a preseason, he didn't ask for those players. So why did the management, accountability with the management, why did they allow him? Because he was number 9, you need to own it. I think he lost 14 or 12 matches. It's a record matches with league. Uguti Chiefs, he lose the number of matches that they lost last season. It was a staggering amount of losses. But just because he won the Nedbank Cup, they forgave him. So why did they give him a pre-season? June, no July, Ahamba in Netherlands, and they gave him the players.
The guy was lucky to finish the season last season. As could miss season last year. The last season I think he was lucky. Kune article ngayibona ibhale BBK. I think it was Sunday time before the Nedbank final. It Chiefs almost parted ways, not their coach. And I could listen one day today. They spoke about that double Mazola today. Ngayibona lo article. Ukuthi Chiefs bekuyivar le anto ukuthi Chiefs bekumele parted ways.
So why did they give him a preseason?
The thing is, when you win, grinding results. Nase South Africa ma-fans nje wonke. Mangasho mina manje ngikhuluma ngithi how they won, I'm not convinced. Wonke umuntu uzothi uJune udakiwe. I've been saying mina millions years. Ngoba nkululeko eSouth njoba usho kuphendula nje. They've been winning. Angithi manje mangisho bawinele la trophy. Na azange balibheke nokuthi silwine kanjani la trophy. They won that trophy. Njoba ngisho mina officials plays a major role kulela trophy. Not to say Chiefs deserve okay sharp by winning the official but mawuchecka how they won raise my question Chiefs ithe makawini coach but we're giving him isizibekane season angithi extra with an option to renew which is 2 years.
Bobby Mutawong was like the coach is going nowhere.
Yeah, because of that Nedbank Cup. But deep down they knew with this guy Law I think is the worst coach that we had.
But he's wasting another coach's time.
True.
That's the thing, because this season, whatever happens this season, and the Chiefs, on results alone, they are in a good position in the league. They're number 3 on results alone.
Yeah.
You are messing up whatever coach is coming in because you didn't give him a preseason. You have to give him 2 months to get used to the system, whatever. And he's going to a Confederations Cup as well. Whether Bakubeka Ngalaba or a new coach, you have allowed this one to waste the preseason.
Yeah, but they already made up their mind. Yeah, but this guy wears Anje. Bamnika lama game lawa. Maganga njoba athi yena media yakhe whatever but keep a statement mengishilo la studio remember we debated.
Yeah.
Ukuthi there's no smoke without fire. The guys left sharp. It was a match ukuthi uthe ucela 1 2 3 4 players but you know they bought players.
Because Chiefs signed a lot of players.
Management signed those players. I don't think yes maybe he brought Liepo. Ngoba now
Abo Flavio Silva they smell like his players.
Yeah, there was no way I can judge a coaching amas Magafia Kaizer Chiefs. But after 7-8 games meaning we're
going to watch Sundowns.
Yeah.
Justice is giving us a signal already,
Yeah.
but we had to do this. What's next then? They're continuing, because Chiefs, think about this. Every time they fired a coach, Chiefs in the last 4 years, Banama interim. Coach Arthur was an interim. After they fired someone else. Coach Arthur's one. I think after Stuart Baxter, whoever. Arthur's one. Coach Kevin Johnson came in because they
Molefe.
fired Molefe Ntseki. They keep on giving people a chance to go to Koba, so one is Puma Ganjan. Like maybe after 3 months they decide interim coaches. So it smells like they might go that direction.
Yeah.
But do you have any idea where they're going to go or where should they go?
Abantu bakanabi labana they still gonna talk telephone ngefone obvious naye, but obvious ngeke basho ukuthi sikhulumana basazochubeka ngalento ezena bekumele bahambe bonke. Going back ngiyaziboneka lengwenya because they won 3 games nazo asi right for ukuhlala lapha kulesa situlo. Chiefs izwenza leza ngwenya my term.
Yeah, they like interim coaches.
Mina kim isizini iqala manje. Mina uPizzo mfethu ngiyazi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs will never go there, but a brand like Chiefs they mina ngiyidlalela like engikhulele la. Pizzo, whether they say Pizzo ufuna ukuba in control, yes, Abo-Ted they were in control. True, Abo-Ted they were in control, Abo-Jeff Butler they were in control. Bring Pizzo and say, okay, sharp 9, a team. Marengo was young Pizzo. About 15 players they will go separate ways with the Chiefs. With a team because of Chiefs. And I think the Chiefs in Tengayfuni. But I mean, just opinion. I'll go for Pizzo Mosimane. Yes, they'll go for
any other name. We will wrap it up now. Pizzo Mosimane for you only.
Yeah, for me, Nangichu Rulani is working.
Oh,
which
yeah,
is me.
is
One of the
Africa.
best anyway.
He's
Pizzo
already
for
in
me.
North Africa.
Anyway, it's one of the best to Pizzo
Sure.
for me.
So that's Pizzo for you.
For me, there's no coach that can go there. Let me say that much. Ngoba Nkululeko, it's not only the coach. Yes, Unabi is Gimage Kopnandi, very true. But Sasane Jive even players, technical team need to sort themselves as well.
Right.
I pay Gunabi pay. Yeah.
There you go. Thank you so much, Junior. We have to cut it very short because there's another game that's about to start now. Mamelodi Sundowns against Maromo Gallants. So we'll come back a little bit later on for the post-match of that. There's Jose Rivero, there's Ban, and there's this one and that one. We'll find out what Kaizer Chiefs can do. Normally, they just take interim coaches. It is TV, it is Times. We're sports betting.
Shapunjan bafowethu Kamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi bafowethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Diski TV.